Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Universal Credit account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome, as you can see, and on the search bar, click over there and type in Universal Credit login like this and hit enter. And after that, you can see the sign in to a universal credit account gov.uk website on the first result of Google search, and click over there. And after that, you can see the sign in option available over here. Click here, and now you can see you must enter your username and password to sign in to your Universal Credits account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on either one of these to retrieve it. And there, guys, this is how you log into Universal Credit account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.